everyone. Welcome to Meet Child's show. I'm Lady J, and I'm gonna be your host for the next few minutes. Today, I will walk you through how a continent became known as Africa. Yes, let's talk about what you have never been told about the true origin of man and Africa. If you are interested in mysteries, spiritual facts, cultural history, and traditions of tribes, empires, and nations from around the world, then this is the right content for you, dear. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Now, the hidden and forgotten history. Not in innocence, not in Europe, and not in Asia was mankind born. Our ancestors' homeland was the highlands of Africa, reaching north from the Cape to the lakes of the Nile. Here we came about slowly, ever so slowly, on a sky-covered savannah glowing with menace. We neither confronted a long nor difficult beginnings in either bankruptcy or bastardy. Man's lineage is correct and legitimate. Our ancestry is firmly rooted in the animal world, and to its subtle, antique ways our hearts are yet pledged. As children of all animal species or kinds, we inherited many a social nicety or manners as well as the predator's way. But most significant of all our gift, as things turned out, was the legacy bequeathed us by our immediate ancestors, those killer apes. Even in the first long days of our beginnings, we held in our hand the weapon, instrument somewhat older than ourselves. Man is a fraction of the animal world, and tracing our lineage since it split from that of our closest living relatives, the chimpanzees and bonobos, is correct. Dear listener, humans are part of the animal kingdom, or we shared a common ancestor with the orangutans, chimpanzees, bonobos, and gorillas. Our history is an afterthought, nothing more, anchored to an endless calendar. We are not so unique as we would like to believe. And if man, in a time of need, seeks deeper knowledge concerning himself, then he must explore those animal horizons from which we have made our quick little march. The origin of man tells the story of how we evolved from our ape ancestors to become the most successful creature on the planet. We are now the only remaining human species alive on Earth, and there are approximately 8 billion of us. Now you know. Humans first evolved in Africa, and much of human evolution occurred on that continent. The fossils of early humans who lived million years ago come entirely from Africa. Do you still believe the people of other continents are superhumans? The answer is no. We are all from Alkebulan, an ancient name for Africa. So, who named the continent Africa? Which specific country in Africa did man originate? For answers to these questions, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Catch you soon for the next stories. Thank you.